hill because we're a high
Maybe
elevation.
that's why, yeah. Those are purple.
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Beautiful cactus.
Yeah.
Quiet zone. All right, here's a golden eagle. He's staring us down. And they said this little guy was injured by a car mirror, and he can't fly no more. Here's a Prairie Falcon. Whoa, he's flying.
Her name is Chili.
She's like, let me out.
Found with her leg being tangled in barbed wire.
She was stuck in some barbed wire.
You want to see the next one? You can see it very easily.
Hey there, how you doing?
This is a Chihuahuan Raven. His name is Calypso. He was found roaming in Sandia Park in June of 2013. Oh, it's a she. She was confirmed to be imprinted with humans. She was brought here in late June of 2013. Oh, look at her head sticking out.
Hi.
Hi, pretty bird. She likes visitors, that's for sure. Hold on, Rogan.
All right, we'll see you later, okay?
Aw, vulture. His name's Festus. Yeah, his name is. His name is Festus, and he was found with an injured wing after a thunderstorm. After being treated and healed, he was put in an open-top aviary, but he refused to fly away. He's too socialized with humans now to be released. And he's been here since 1997.
He's looking at me. Look at the next
Hi.
How friendly you are.
It's funny how they just come right up to the fence and look right at you.
I know.
Right up to it.
They're so sweet.
Now that's a cool bench.
Oh, there's two of them. They are Crested Paracaras. Max and Polly were illegally taken from the wild and kept as pets. They came here to the park in February of 2007.
He's sharp. You have sharp claws.
You're pretty cool looking.
Yeah. I think.
Oh my goodness.
Really
Really cool. Hi. Her name is Bert. They didn't know that until she laid 2 eggs in the spring of 2011. They mistakenly thought she was male since 1998. She had an eye disease when she was a juvenile that makes her non-releasable.
I think she's the only one. Oh, no,
Box turtles, where they at?
It says there are several box turtles in this habitat. If you don't see them, they're either in the shade or underground.
One.
One of them
There's
is
another one. I see his face. I don't think I can get him.
Where is he? No boys allowed.
That's what it says.
No boys allowed.
There's just girls.
Hey.
I like how it says.
I don't see him.
I
They can crawl from one to another though, so you might be over here. I don't see him over here. He's probably underground. A bean cleaner and a bean thrasher?
Bean cleaner and bean thrasher.
Yeah. I wonder which is which.
Found in New Mexico during the farming era prior to the drought during the 50s. Don't pet it. Don't you dare pet it. I know it's tempting, but don't you dare pet it.
Oh, walks away when I come
His name
over.
is Chewy. You see it up by the steps sleeping?
Yeah, sleeping over there. Here she comes. This is Luna.
Luna. She looks like she wants to be pet, but don't do it.
I won't. Oh, look at that one.
Oh, I see something. The interpretive center bus.
Interpretive center bus.
It's pretty cool. Can't see. I see bones in there.
They're in here somewhere. They might be off into here or something. I don't know.
I don't see any deer at all.
Yeah, there's a deer right there.
Where?
Sitting in the
Oh,
shade.
yeah.
Let me read this. Dasher was stolen out of the wild by some young kids when he was just a few weeks old. Aw. When the game warden heard about him, they brought him to Wildlife West on July 1st, 2019. Staff bottle fed him until he was ready to be weaned and put in his habitat. Napoleon, Dash, Rascal, and Houdini were found orphaned near a construction site in New Mexico. They came to the park in June of 2017 when they were about 2 months old. Oh,
Yep, that's Velcro.
she's been here since she was 2 months old. Velcro. How was her name?
She's right here. Both of them are. Hi there.
How about you?
Lazy. Sleeping.
Bandit was a little over a year old when she came to the park in July of 2017 from the Alameda Zoo. She had been bottle raised as a baby. She was an orphan. The little rascals, Darla, Spanky, Alfalfa, Buckwheat, and Stymie, were a surprise due to a male raccoon breaking into the habitat in February of 2018. They were born April 29th, 2018. Bandit was a very protective mother and did a great job raising her 5 babies. Because they have been around humans since they were born, the whole family will stay together here at Wildlife West. Look at him,
Bob the Bobcat.
A bobcat named Bob. I want to see.
Hungry.
Looks pretty cute.
He's like, I don't want nothing to do with you guys.
Not really.
I know.
I don't think it's real.
Look at that big old snake.
It's real. Hey, Daddy, can you put it up on top of this?
Barbie died February 16th, 2021. She had lung cancer. We all miss her.
Is that her? Oh no, that's us. Go ahead. Go ahead.